In this video, you are going to learn how to install Tubebuddy extension on your mobile device. So first of all, go to chrome.google.com/web store. Alright, so let's go there. Alright, so right here you see different extension you can add to your mobile phone or your computer. Alright, so we are going to use this as search bar right here. So you search in the store, search for Tubebuddy. This is it right here, Tubebuddy. Alright, so this is the Tubebuddy extension for YouTubers to use, for YouTube creators. Alright, so you have to click on it. Alright, so to add the extension to your mobile phone, you have to come right here. This is it. Click on add to Chrome, click on it and access the permission, give permission to be installed. See, it's checking right here. Alright, so as you can see here, it has been added to our Chrome browser, our browser right here. So click on these three dots right here and you will see the extension right here. This is a Tubebuddy extension, so you have to activate it to start using it. Okay, I forgot to mention this in the beginning. The browser I'm currently using, for you to be able to add a Chrome extension to your phone, you have to use not the normal Chrome browser but Kiwi browser. Alright, so this is the browser. Let me just search it for you so you see. You have to use a Kiwi browser. So this is the browser, you have to use it. This is what you use for you to be able to add extensions, Chrome extensions to your mobile phone. So this is it. Alright, so for you to start using it, you come right here. You have to go to creators. Let me just click on it first. Let me see. Alright, so you have to go to your Creator Studio. You're able to use it right here. So let me reload the page. Alright, so you'll be asked to sign into Tubebuddy. Alright, you have to sign into Tubebuddy so you'll be able to use it. So this is the icon right here, so you have to sign in. So let me click on it. So you have to sign in with your YouTube account. To click on the check mark right here, to click on sign in with YouTube. So it tells you to authenticate the sign in, you authenticate it. Alright, so it's still loading. So you sign in with your account that you want to use with Tubebuddy, which is your main YouTube account. Alright, so give it the necessary permission. Click on allow. Alright, so we redirect you so a new the Crystal Studio. It will also give you an alert that your account has been signed in with Tubebuddy. Alright, here. Alright, so the permission has been given already, so you can start using Tubebuddy. So as you can see here, this is the option. This is that thumbnail right here. That's basically how to install Tubebuddy extension on your Android device. Remember, the browser you have to use is called Kiwi browser. I will drop the link in the description so you can get it from Google Play Store. It's free for you to use. So kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on notifications so you can get more cool videos like this. Thanks for watching.